In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Green Dot in 2025. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Green Dot's website or download their mobile app. Whether you opt for the website or the app, start by visiting their homepage where you will be greeted with options to select the account type, prepaid card, or banking product that best fits your needs. It's important to take a minute to review the different options available to ensure you're choosing the one that aligns with your financial goals. Once you've decided on the type of account you'd like to open, it's time to fill out the application form. This form is pretty straightforward but requires that you have some personal information ready. You'll need to enter your name, address, and social security number. Additionally, providing your contact details, such as your email address and phone number, is necessary. Keep in mind that you'll also have to verify these details, so double check for accuracy. And don't forget to read through and agree to the terms and conditions before moving on. The next step involves verifying your identity. This is a crucial part of setting up any banking service as it ensures that you are who you say you are. You'll need to upload a government-issued ID. In some situations, to prove your residency, you might need to provide an additional document such as a utility bill or another form of address verification. Gathering these documents in advance can really streamline the process. After you've handled the verification, it's time to set up some features that will enhance your banking experience. You might want to opt into direct deposit. This convenient option can sometimes allow you to receive your salary or payments ahead of schedule. Additionally, Green Dot offers overdraft protection for those who are eligible, which can provide a safety net in managing your finances. Finally, once you're approved, Green Dot will send you a debit card, if this is applicable to the account type you selected. Activating your card is a crucial final step and usually requires a quick action via the mobile app or a phone call, so make sure to follow the instructions provided by Green Dot carefully to complete this process. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully opened a checking account online with Green Dot. Remember, having a checking account is not just about transactions, it's about selecting a partner that supports your financial journey. Green Dot offers several tools and features to help along the way, so take full advantage of these to manage your finances effectively. Thanks for watching and happy banking.